Right, so I've started the walk. I'm in Torridon, stroke Benet Nature Reserve, just going up to the Triple Buttress this afternoon. I'm already sort of a mile into the route. Now we are clashing with the Ultra X Triathlon, which is a 30 something kilometre swim, no, a 3 kilometre swim, a 30-mile run over 2 mountains, sandwiched between a 200-mile bike ride all the way from Loch, finishing here, running past the Triple Buttress. So that's why I didn't do any filming at the start and things. So as we came down, we met all the cyclists. I've been here before. I've wild camped up here a few years ago, and I will link up to that. But I've only here for a day, for an afternoon. Only going for a bit of a wild swim at the Loch, and that's that. So, and I've got some new kit with me. I have actually got a new gimbal thing for the phone, which is in my pack, and I haven't taken my pack off yet, so I haven't got it out. And I've also got a new pack, which is the one you see on my back there. So impressed was I with the 4-class one that I got for my long distance, that my Mhic has died, and I've bought the 30 litre version, or their 30 litre mountain backpack, which so far is comfortable, loads of space for 2 of us, and everything else. As usual, Annie is with me. So I'm just cresting the rise here. We've been ascending the first part up the hill for the past mile, just over, and heading into the Coire. As you can see, so I'll come back to you when I'm a bit further on. Sorry. So that's the first water crossing bit done, and we're speeding up there, and we are heading up. So far so good. Past a couple of people who've also been for a swim, which is what we're heading to do as well, and they said the water is absolutely fantastic, so I'm looking forward to it, and I'm going to crack on. In the meantime, the views on the other side, which I'll just show you in a minute, are absolutely stunning. So we've reached the junction. That way leads off round that way, which isn't the way we're going. And he is enjoying every minute. Our route is now taking us up and over here, this way round there, and over to the Loch. Just stopping for a cereal bar and a munch, and we'll be on our way. And look at those hills.
In my garden.
Celtman there looking mighty impressive. The hills to the side, which if I can be arsed later, I'll put some names up. Just stopped to apply some sun cream. Stunning, isn't it? Just rounding the part of the hill. Not far to go now. See the views in front are beginning to open up as well. Just around this hill, around this corner here. Our destination is just over that rise. Here that's us. I'll move away from that. That's us up and here, and I think, and once again, like the last time I was here, I get up and it's heaven's open time. But see the views. So we're here, we're going to get some scran and see what we do and how long we stay. There it is, I've got the polymath on, all ready for some hot drinks. As you can see from what I put up before, I have been for a while swimming the Loch there, so that was very nice and very refreshing. I've got the polymath on right now. Shown this before on a previous video, which I'll stick up there. But very lightweight and very good for this sort of thing. Just sitting here watching the dramatic skyscapes with the storm that's rolled past us. Well, that's done. 8 miles and a wild swim, all finished up. Not too bad at all really, time wise. We were dodging the runners and the cyclists, and that's us back at the car. Late start, late finish, but then that's the joys of the summer up here. And yep, smashed it, rocked it, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, mash the button, hit the like, hit the subscribe, share it, and enjoy and do it. Don't just sit there watching it. Get out there, get here, do that, swim.